This method will blow your mind. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn thousands of dollars per day using Google. And yes, it's completely legit. You can earn up to $11,000 a week with just 1 hour of work each day. And the best part, this turns into passive income. It's built to grow over time. You must watch this video till the end because I will show you exactly how to do this so you can start earning money too. We will be using Google Partner Program to create and sell ebooks. You don't need to be a professional writer or have any special skills. I'm going to walk you through how to create an ebook from scratch, find a trending topic, and get it there for millions readers. With over 3 billion people reachable through this method, the opportunities to sell your ebook and make money is limitless. The first thing you will want to do is head over to Google and search for Google Books Partner. Click on the first link and it will take you to this page that says Reach new readers, sell more books. Now click on Get Started. Sign in using your Gmail account. Click on Self-Publisher Author, then enter your name. Select your country. I'm going to choose United States. And you don't even need a website for this or a phone number. Once you are done, click on Next. On the next page, I will leave it as it is and go down and click I am not a robot and then click I agree. In this page, they will ask you to enter your payment profile and link your bank and enter your tax information. I won't do it here because I've already entered my information on my personal account. Now that we have set up our account, let's talk about content creation. You want to choose a topic that will sell, and that's where Google Trends comes in. Google Trends is a tool that shows how popular a search term is over time. It helps you see what people are searching for and how their interest changes. We are going to use it to look for trending topics and see popular searches in different places. It is useful if you want to know what topics are currently popular. You can see what is hot right now. Or we can filter search and look for artificial intelligence, which has seen a huge spike in interest recently. Let's say I am interested in AI, which is blowing up. I will use this as my topic and create an ebook around it. You can do the same for any niche you are passionate about, like cooking, traveling, which is a great topic too, and you can make a huge money from it as well. Here in the search bar, I will type artificial intelligence and you can see the results. You can also filter by past hour, last 30 days, and so on. Now that we have searched our trending topic, we can start writing. You don't have to write your ebook from scratch. ChatGPT can do the work for you. Go to ChatGPT to create your ebook. I will use this prompt. Write a 20 pages ebook about the future of making money with AI. You can be specific and ask for sections like monetizing AI or the future of artificial intelligence. Within minutes, ChatGPT will generate a complete ebook for you with chapters and outlines. Once you have your ebook content, it's time to format it for selling. I personally recommend using Google Docs for this. It's easy and free to use. Copy the text generated by ChatGPT, paste it into a Google Doc, and organize it with proper headings, paragraphs, and spacing. You can also add an introduction and a conclusion to tie everything together nicely, or you can leave it as it is if it looks good for you. Once your ebook is polished and ready to go, it's time to upload it to Google Books Partner. Click File on Google Docs, select Download as PDF, and save it to your computer. Go back to Google Books Partner page, upload your ebook, and set your price. If you want to make your ebook look even more professional, ChatGPT can also help you come up with ideas for a cover design. Now you go to ChatGPT and ask it for a cover design prompt. For example, we can say, provide a cover design prompt for an ebook about the future of making money online. Once you have the prompt, you copy it and you click on Explore GPT and search for image generator. Paste the prompt, and the image generator will create an ebook cover in a minute. If you don't like it, you can always make changes to the prompt to fit your needs. For this tutorial, I will keep this cover here. Keep in mind that Google takes a small percentage, around 30%. Let's say you will sell your book for $20. Google will take $6 and you will keep $14, which is a significant amount of profits. Now, after you published your ebook, we have to promote it to make it discovered by millions of potential buyers. I personally prefer to use a platform called oneclickblog.com. OneClickBlog is a tool that generates a blog post with a single click based on a given topic or an idea. Go to oneclickblog.com. First, enter your ebook title, which is The Future of Making Money with AI, and we are going to go straight to articles. We are going to put the title of the book, also the keywords to help it rank in search. I will click yes to include images into my posts, and I will leave everything else as it is. And then I will click on generate, and it's going to take few minutes to finish. Now you can copy the article and it is ready to be published. There are many platforms where you can promote your ebook, like Amazon or even social media. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, Instagram account, or even Facebook page, you can publish and promote your book on those platforms to maximize your earnings. Let's say you don't have a YouTube channel or any other platforms accounts. There are multiple websites where we can publish our posts and make sales, like medium.com, tumblr.com, Reddit, Vocal Media, and more. Personally, I like to use Medium. It's easy and free to use. To get started, go to medium.com and set up your account. On the main page, click on Write, then enter your book title and paste your article. For this tutorial, I will only use a part of the book to show you how it works. After pasting your article, make sure to include the link you got when you published your ebook on Google Play. You can go to the bottom of your article and write, click this link to purchase the ebook. Select the sentence, right-click, and insert your link. This link will provide quick access for people who are interested in buying the book and making a purchase through it. And that's it. In just few simple steps, you have created and published your first ebook using Google and ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments below what topics you are planning to write about. If you found this video helpful and are excited about making money online, be sure to check my other videos where I share tips and tricks for boosting your income. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Happy earning!